What's up, guys? We are coming to you live. Not live. This is not live. This is taped.
Recorded live.
Recorded live. This is, as you guys know him from the channel, Richard Holiday, better known as Richard. And we are standing on the island of
Koh Sak.
Koh Sak. And I am getting ready to show you the island of Koh Sak, so enjoy. This is the island of Koh Sak. It is what appears to be small island, I would say. Looks like we have a little eatery over here. Richard, anything you want to add?
This is one of the islands that's closest to Pattaya, and most of the tourists come here, all the touring groups come here. So a little bit busy. As you'll see later on, the other islands we'll be visiting today, less tourists.
There you go. Let's just have a little quick panorama here, and I'll show you guys what, so you can see all the boats docking and a little rock pile, nice little formations. These boats are loaded up. I don't know if you can see that boat right there that's taking off. There's so many people on that boat, I don't even know how they have room to breathe. It looks very dangerous, to be honest with you. But it is what it is. So anyway, jet skis coming in at 100 miles an hour. It's looks like a lot of fun. Looks like we got some stuff going on over here that I'm very, very excited to see. So if you look, we're walking up the island, but back here is all the chairs that you can rent, sit in and relax. Richard has told me that this is not the best place to relax. We're gonna keep walking and moving around. Lots of little cool things going on here. I'll be honest with you, the concrete that we're walking on right now, I didn't bring my flip-flops and I'm barefooted, and it doesn't feel that great, just to be honest. So be prepared, guys.
It's like walking on the beach at Pattaya.
Exactly. So this is headed back down. This is a very, very small island, guys. I didn't realize just how small it was. But this is down, this is literally looking at the top of where you can walk from on the island, looking back down at the beach. Can you guys see the difference in the water here versus the difference at the beach at Pattaya or Jam Tien? Look how blue it is. I mean, it's incredible. It's really nice water. Really nice. This is a quick little visit of the island of Koh Sak. Hope you guys enjoyed.